You woke up late today and now you feel like the whole day is already ruined. I know, me too, but stay with me. My sleep schedule right now is a mess. Some nights I sleep at 11, some nights it's 2 a.m. I wake up at 10, stay in bed till 11, scrolling on my phone. And I hate it. I feel like half my day is gone before it even started. I'm less focused, less productive, and I feel it every single day. But here's what I've learned. The moment I decided the late start already ruined my day, that's when my day actually got ruined. Not the late wake up, the giving up. So instead of giving up, I do my skincare, make breakfast, watch a sitcom while I eat, and then I sit down and get my work done. Is it perfect? No. Am I as productive as I would be waking up at 8? Probably not. But I'm moving, and moving forward on a bad day is worth more than a perfect day you never had. My goal is to sleep at 12 and wake up at 8. I'm working on it, and I'm going to share that journey here honestly, the good days and the bad ones. But until I get there, I'm going to do what I can with what I have. Because a late start is better than no start.